consonants. Consonant sounds. Repeat after me. B, 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 k, 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 d, 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 f, 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 g, g, g. Good. Let's do them again. B, k, d, f, g. J, 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 k, 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 ul, Let's do that again. H, j, k, ul, s, 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 t, t, t. V, 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 w, 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 x, 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 y, 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 z, z, z. Let's do it again. V, w, x, y, z. Those are your consonant sounds. Now let's look at vowels. Vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y. Let's practice our short vowel sounds. Short A. Apple. Elephant. Igloo. Octopus. Umbrella. Now let's practice these short vowel sounds. You can say them after me, pause the video, and then try it yourself. Ah, ah, eh, ah, I, eh, ah, 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 Now pause the video and practice. Welcome back. Now I'm going to point to one of the letters. Please say the sound. You can check yourself because I will wait a second or two and then I will say the sound. Okay, here we go. Ah. Eh. Ah. I. Eh. Ah. Ah. Thank you.